residents, what's going on today? Welcome back to Las Vegas Home Tours for your weekly tour. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking to build or model homes and existing inventory to make your next shopping experience all the more easy. And on today's video, we are back up in Skye Canyon. We are starting a new series with the Century Communities. And today we are looking over the Residence 1742 model in their Collection 1. This model features 1,742 square feet in this all single story neighborhood with 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 to 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-bay garage. You do get the pavers out front, as well as the front landscaping will be complete for you with a drip irrigation system. One thing I noticed that really helps the home look a lot more complete is the eaves underneath are complete, so you don't have insects building nests up there, things like that. Really helps it look a lot more finished. Walking up to this beautiful barn front door, let's go ahead and head on inside. As soon as you enter the home, you are greeted into this nice warm entryway. Off to the right is the bedrooms and the laundry, as well as the bathrooms for those bedrooms. And then to the straight off the entry is the great room. Let's go ahead and head over here and check out these bedrooms first. Right here is going to be your laundry room. They do have the upper cabinetry installed in here. You do get a gas dryer hookup. And throughout this home, you do get 17 by 17 inch ceramic tiles in the entry, the bathroom, the kitchen, and the laundry room. So basically the wet areas of the home. The rest of the home will be carpeted. I love the drop area that they have for the entrance from the garage, which is just right there as well. Here's the first bedroom. This bedroom is 11 foot by 11 foot. You do have the option to turn this into a master, as they have shown in this home. When, as a standard on the home, it does not come with the bathroom right off of the bedroom here. It is actually off of the hallway. So to keep that in mind, that is an upgrade that they did in this home to show it off. And coming out into the hallway here, they have the optional powder room installed. Let's take a quick look in here. This home is being used as the office for the neighborhood, so that's why there's the toilet with the spray and all that good stuff. Then here is the den. This will be an optional bedroom 3. It is 10 foot by 11 foot 11. Real nice size room. I like how they decorated that room. It looks really nice. I was actually very impressed with Century Communities. I thought they did a really good job decorating their home. I really felt they were up to par with Pulte and Toll Brothers, which are very close by as well. Here's the great room. The living area is 18 foot 1 by 17 foot 4, and the dining area is 10 foot by 13 foot 9. Real nice space here. One thing I do like about this particular floor plan, I do feel like they use the space quite well. I love the location of those 2 bedrooms that we were just looking at, as well as the functionality of the great room here, and then the primary suite, which we'll look at here shortly, is in a really nice location as well. You do get 10 foot ceilings throughout this entire home. You get 8 foot interior doors, as well as satin nickel finishes. I do believe in this home they upgraded to a darker finish on the hardware throughout this home, but just keep in mind that it is satin nickel throughout this home. They do have the rocker panel switches throughout this entire home as well. And in this kitchen right here, you're going to get 42 inch uppers with a 3 inch crown molding, and you will get a granite or a quartz countertop. The appliance package will be a stainless steel appliance package with the 36 inch gas cooktop, a single built-in wall oven, a built-in microwave with the canopy hood, as well as the stainless steel dishwasher. As you can see, the microwave is right above the oven there. Real nice backsplash in here. That's an upgrade that you'll have an option at the design studio. And speaking of the design studio, they are offering $7,500 towards closing costs if you go with their lender. And then as far as the design studio, they do require a 50% deposit on the options from the design studio, which will go towards your down payment if you use an outside outside lender. However, if you use their inside lender, you will only need to pay 25% deposit on those options, which will also go towards your down payment. We've come back towards the primary suite now. This bedroom is 14 foot 0 by 13 foot 11. Real nice wall. Love how they decorate in there. Has a soft look, but yeah, it's slightly rugged with that rustic look on the wood as well. Truly beautiful bathroom here as well. I love the separate vanities they have in here, the one to the left as well as the one to the right. And then they have the rectangular undermount sinks. That seems to be the style in the master bathrooms for now. As you can see, they have the quartz installed as well with the single shower. You do have a few options in here. You could do a separate tub shower combo if you wanted to. You could just do a straight up shower tub. You could have a little bit more of an extended shower and do a double vanity on the main vanity right there. You have a lot of options in this particular bathroom, which I really like as well. Real nice size walk-in closet here. I love how they have the upper and the lower. That makes it really, really functional and allows for even more space. I wish I had that in my closet, which I don't. This particular community is located in Skye Canyon. Skye Canyon has an HOA of $83.33 a month, which is $240 a quarter. And then this particular community in itself is $50 a month, totaling to $133.33 a month. Now, this community is located very, very close to the Skye Canyon Park. It's literally right across the street, and they're actually going to be building a brand new park on the opposite side of this neighborhood. So you're basically going to be sandwiched between two parks. Really, really great location. And then Smith Shopping Center is just right down the road. Super convenient for all that stuff as well. Here's a look at the backyard so you can get an idea of the size of the lots. Again, this is an all single-story neighborhood, so just keep that in mind. Well, residents, did you enjoy the 1742 floor plan? Did you like how it's laid out? Let's start a discussion down below, maybe even an argument. I want to hear from every single one of you down there. If you did enjoy this tour and you want to help break the YouTube algorithm, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Not only do I appreciate it, but it helps others just like you discover this video and Las Vegas home tours. I'd like to thank the entire Century Communities team up in Sky Mesa, specifically Paula, for allowing us out to film these videos and get them prepared just for you. But as always, I appreciate you stopping by touring with me all the way to the end of the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Get me out of here.